Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable haptic on successful authentication for Face ID on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Accessibility. Then we go down and tap on Face ID and Attention. In the Haptics section, tap on Haptic on successful authentication. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on or turn it off. If you turn it on, it will play a haptic when Face ID successfully unlocks iPhone, authorizes Apple Pay, or verifies iTunes and App Store purchases. So it's basically kind of like vibrate gently to give you a feedback. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings. Swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.